Hello and welcome to Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can use Instagram name tag. So make sure that you're signed into your Instagram account, and from there just make sure that you go to your profile feed by clicking on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then when you're on your profile feed, click on this icon on the top right corner of your screen, and then a menu like this will appear. So from there, click on name tag, and here is how you can customize your name tag. Now you can change the background to the color that you like by clicking on the background and just selecting the background that you seem best suits you, or you can change it to an emoji background by clicking on color and click on background to change the emoji, and you can select whatever emoji best suits you. So I'm just gonna pick one, and then you can also take a selfie to be your background for your Instagram name tag. So to take a picture, click on selfie, and this is how you can kind of create your name tag for Instagram, and then just click on retake, and then change the emoji of your selfie as you seem fit, and then click on the camera icon to kind of determine that this is the selfie that you want on your name tag background. So you can share it on your Instagram feed or in your stories, or you can share it to other people on Messenger, Gmail, Viber. So I'm gonna share it to my feed to show you what it's like. I don't want it cropped. And then go next, and then I'm gonna type in a caption, name tag, and share. Now anybody that's following me or can see my feed will be able to see my name tag and kind of scan it, and then kind of start following me on Instagram. Now if you have someone else's name tag as well, you can scan it and then follow that person. For example, I have saved a name tag, so I'm gonna go into name tag again from my menu. Sorry, it crashed. I'm gonna show you again. And scan a name tag. So I'm gonna go to my gallery, and then since I previously saved that name tag, since I've successfully scanned the name tag and it exists on Instagram, you can see that the profile is loaded on my screen here, and then I can choose to follow or view profile. So I follow, and now it says you are following Sobostrishta. So this is a way to kind of follow someone as easy as you can on Instagram without having to remember their username. Sometimes we kind of get mixed up with username. Sometimes that person has numbers on their username that we might not be able to remember, but when we have Instagram name tags like this, it makes it so much easier to kind of just scan that name tag and just follow that person. And if the person has a private profile, that person will need to give you permission in order to follow him. But if it's your friend, I'm sure that person will kind of approve your request. Now you can also kind of save it on your PC and scan it from the Instagram app, or you can kind of have ways to kind of scan it in, and that's how easily you can start following that person, or someone else can follow you by scanning your name tag. So this is how you can use Instagram name tag. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.